Hey everybody, the Jester King Enroll here, letting I am not just a VTuber. I also enjoy writing. I think writing is probably one of the best forms of creativity, that it's the ultimate source of freedom because it allows you to really craft in what could be a difficult medium, but in my opinion is not that. In fact, I'm going to show you how I think that it's easier than most creative media. So, what I want to go and talk to you about is the fact that, yes, writing, a lot of people like to go and make a finished product the first time, but it's not going to happen that way. You really need to put up the scaffolding. So, the scaffolding could be the sentences, because you know what you want to write. You know, because you're smart. You know what you want to write. So you're going to put up the scaffolding here, and that's going to be the sentence that doesn't have to be eloquent or anything like that. Just needs to get the job done, so that way you can go back and put up the finishing touches. So here you're like, let's just go and say, uh, um, just for funsies, this is our rough draft. I love big booty bitches, and bam, there's our scaffolding. We know what we want to write. It doesn't have to be eloquent, but now let's just, for all intents and purposes, this is our rough draft. Now we're going back. We're going back in, and then from here we can go and put in the mortar and put in the nice little, I don't know what the housing terms are, with the buttress and the archways and stuff. And so, from I love big booty bitches, we go, the night was loud and boisterous. I can never spell boisterous properly. Um, the storm. No, no, we don't want to use the storm because we used the again. So then it's like storming with a fury. Few men have few men have properly ex- uh outside of the the hell high seas. So you see here, from our scaffolding, we have gone and made a beautiful house because we put it down, we know what we want to write, and then we just build up from there. And I hope this has taught you how to go about writing. Thank you all for joining me.